In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ERR GFX D3D NOD3D12 No DirectX 12 adapter or runtime found error when trying to run GTA 5 Enhanced Edition. Method 1. Check your graphics card compatibility. Make sure your GPU supports DirectX 12, NVIDIA GTX 600 series or newer, and AMD RX 200 series or newer support DirectX 12. Method 2. Update your graphics drivers. Go to the NVIDIA or AMD official website. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Restart your PC after installation. Method 3. Update DirectX runtime. Press Windows + R, type DexDiag, and hit Enter. Check your DirectX version on the System tab. If it's older than DirectX 12, download the latest DirectX runtime from Microsoft's official site. Install and restart your PC. Method 4. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the GTA 5 shortcut or executable. Select Run as administrator. Method 5. Disable full-screen optimization. Right-click GTA 5 executable Properties Compatibility tab. Check Disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply and OK. Method 6. Verify game files. Open Steam or your game launcher. Go to GTA 5 in your library. Right-click Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Method 7. If you have integrated graphics, make sure your system is using the dedicated GPU NVIDIA/AMD instead of integrated graphics. Check your GPU settings in the NVIDIA control panel or AMD Radeon settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped fix your GTA 5 error, please like and subscribe for more gaming fixes.